Kethruok mar cham tok keyo oyangi ni en achiel kuom gigo ma inyago chiemo ma pacho ka kendo kelo lal maromo bilion 72 higa ka higa. Jatend Migao mar pur Mithika Linturi owacho ni migao mare loso chenro mar duoko lal mag tok keyo go chien ka gisani gitudore kod riwruok mag Food and Agriculture Organization e loso chenro ma kamano. Nyaka sani migao mar pur wachore nosechiwo masinde mag tuoyo cham 100 e gwenge 15 mipidhe cham e okang' mamalo kendo chwalo gi ka kano chak maromo 359 e kauntis 46.
The investment that government has put in this place should not go to waste. So I want to encourage our farmers. I want to encourage those people that now want to venture into any business and tell them there is no other better business that you can do. There is none. I'm convinced, I'm persuaded. There is no other better business that you can do that is reliable, that is sustainable, other than engaging in agriculture. Because the world population, the populations are increasing every day, and we have an extra mouth to feed. So our coming here today gives us, for the last 4 days, gives us an opportunity to think ahead, to see how to face the challenges and raise the challenges that we have had, how to face the future, and ensure that in conjunction and